So for both of you guys, Frank and Enzo, that just received your GPS units, I shipped out your fretting kits, and in those fretting kits you're going to see this fastener. This fastener set slides on top of the female rail, and it's basically a jack for underneath the pivoting neck assembly. It's not needed on the other side because you have the whole weight of the body and length of the neck holding it in place. But to completely immobilize this end of the pivoting neck assembly while I drive in those first 3 or 4 frets, after some deliberation I decided, you know something, we're going to give something to the guys in Australia or South Korea or Japan that maybe don't have access to hockey pucks. So I sort of get the guitar into place, and then I got a 1/2-inch wrench, and I just adjust that until I see the gap disappear on the other end. Doesn't take a lot of tension. So now that is completely immobilized. You don't really need it for fret dressing, but so like I said, for Frank, Enzo, and for Billy too, I know you haven't got one yet, Billy, but if you don't have access to hockey pucks, let me know and I'll ship one of these out. I know you're interested in getting a fretting kit as well, so I'll just stick that in the fretting kit.